Hi everyone, I'm Mario with Community Events, and for your DIY 4th of July celebration, I'm going to show you how to make firecrackers decoration for your party. For your firework decoration, what we'll need today will be a pool noodle, preferably red, white, or blue, some ribbon, a ruler, tissue paper, some decorative stars, a glue gun, scissors or a knife, and some 4th of July decorations. And what you want to do is 2 shorter pieces and 1 longer piece. So I will be doing my 2 shorter pieces at 12 inches long. My 3rd piece, I'll just make a little longer than my other 2 pieces. Next up is to tie your pool noodles together using the ribbon. Once you have your pool noodles together, you can use the hot glue gun to decorate it with some stars. Once you finish decorating with some stars, you want to take your tissue paper and cut it into quarter sheets. Once you've put your tissue paper in, take your 4th of July decorations and put them in as well through the tissue paper. And here you got it, your firework decoration. Once you've done one set, make multiple sets of these and spread them around your house for your 4th of July DIY celebration.